So many people are saying I'm repeating the same word again and again, and I am also very fast. So we'll make this video. I'll talk very slow and steadily. They are saying they are confused and they cannot understand the concept of what I'm trying to say. I can completely understand. I'll talk slowly and steadily. So if you find this video very slow, you can increase the speed of the video, right? Now and also I'll put a timestamp on the timeline so that you will get an idea of what we are going to talk, what a topic we are going to talk, or how it is going to work out. You can understand, you will have a clear picture of what I'm trying to say, right? Now first thing, a recap of what we told yesterday. In fact, I am shooting this video during market hours. Now we told in yesterday's video we are bullish. We expect that 23,100 might not be taken out, right? That is what we told in yesterday's video, and the likelihood of market going to 23,500 is very high, and it may go on the higher side. Now what we did is today morning we posted in our Telegram group that we have added huge short long position, not short position, huge long position, which means we have sold some put option so that if the market goes on the higher side, we will make some profit. So this aligns, or this resonates with our objective of being long in the market, or what our mindset is about the market. So we are bullish, so obviously we are going to add some put option, or we are going to sell some put option. Now since I am in market hours, if you see what is happening to market, in market is at around 23,100, and there is a very major event, or there was a major event yesterday, which was Reliance, Infosys and Axis Bank came out with a result. And if you see, out of these three, all three are major players. If you see the weightage of Axis Bank, it is having around 7% in Banknifty. And if you see Infosys is having 7% weightage in Nifty. So obviously you cannot expect the market to go on the higher side. Market is on the sideways. In fact, it tried to breach around 23,100. It was not able to breach, and in fact market is sitting somewhere around 23,200, and hopefully today market will close or might close above 23,200 is what we believe strongly. And it is not happened yet. It may happen. So that is what I am saying. So the point here is, before even the event has started, I am trying to say what might happen. Of course I may go wrong, right? So that resonates with our goal, or that resonates with our objective, that we are long in the market. We are expecting the market to be on the go on the higher side, so we have sold some put option. Now if you ask me why you are long, what is the reason behind being long in this market? So the reason is very simple. In fact, I'll tell you some data about FIIs, what FIIs are doing in cash and F&O market, so that you will get an idea why we are long in this market, and why we are from where we are deriving this data, so that we are profitable. We are trying to be profitable. We are trying to sync with what FIIs are doing, so you can understand why we are long in this market. Now when it comes to FII data, you can see that, or if you have seen our previous video, which I will leave the link above, we clearly told that FIIs may pump the market, or FIIs may need good valuation for market for short selling, or to short this market. Whatever valuation is now at a Nifty is not a good valuation, so they might pump the market on the higher side, and from there they might short the market. So there is the logic of shorting the market now is not syncing with if I put it this way. Let us say, for example, if the market, see, there is a strong support at 23,000. Even today morning, as I talk to you, we are seeing there is a strong support at 23,000. market tried to breach, in fact 23,100, market tried to breach around 23,000. Now let us assume, in spite of Infosys being down by 5%, Axis Bank down by around 6, only out of these three, Reliance is in green. Apart from that, Infy and Axis Bank is on the red. Now, if it is not in the red, if Infosys, which is having huge weightage in Nifty, is not in the red, what would have happened, right? That is the main question. Or you ask for yourself, or let me know on the comment section below. If Infosys is in the green, what might happen? Market would have gone above 23,200, or let's say even 23,300. So this is what is we are trying to say. So we are thinking that something is not right. In spite of all this negative news, I'll also share what is happening to US future. As I talk to you, US future, all Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. And in fact, Nifty is almost at 23,200. So as I told you, probably it will cross 23,200. Maybe we'll have to wait and see. Now, what FIIs are doing is, as we told, there is no good valuation. Even if they short the market, 23,000 is going to be very strong support. So they need a good valuation. So they will try to take the market till around 23,500. From there, they will short the market so that they are getting good valuation. Now I will show you some data so that you can understand what I am trying to say. Now if you see this screen, this is the daily FII data in cash and in cash and derivative market. So what is happening here is, let me refresh this. So what is happening here is, in the meantime, today morning also we posted in our Telegram group. So this is what we posted. We are holding some long position. We are going into long position, and there is around 70 or 50 comments going. See, I'll tell you one more interesting thing is that people think, see, today morning I posted this in our Telegram group. So people immediately started, market just went down around 100 points, and people started saying, you are wrong, you are wrong, you are wrong. How could I be wrong, right? Now, if you are reacting to a movement of 100 points or 150 points, I'm sure you will not make money in this market. You will have to be resilient. You will have to be patient so that market is working in your favor, right? That's what I want to say. Now, this is not working. Let us wait and see what happens. Let's wait for another 2 or 3 minutes, and we will talk about that. We will show that. What FIIs are doing is, they are, in spite of FIIs selling in market, they are being long in the derivatives, or they are long in the futures, or they are long in maybe they are buying some call option. So last 3 days, they have, on an average, they are selling for around 2,500 crores, or let's say around 3,000 crores. But at the same time, in cash market, they are trying to be long, right? They are buying. So what happens? Let us assume, for example, if for even one day they are stop selling, the market will have a short covering rally, or market might go on the higher side, is what I am trying to say. So this might be a speculative game. Whatever they are doing, or whatever they are trying to do, is a speculative game. So this might be a trap, is what we are trying to say. We are not discouraging, or we are not saying if market will 100% go on the higher side. It might go on the downside also. But what we believe is, it will not go below 23,000, and we still stand by that. And that is why we are posting. You see, I am not repeating, I am saying in the context of what we posted in today morning video. Still we stand by morning Telegram post. Still we stand by that. We still believe that the market will go on the higher side. And even if it is not going on the higher side, we will try to manage. If it goes on the downside, we will try to manage our position, and we will try to exit in a profit or very less loss. So that is what we are having idea in terms of FII. Now I'll share the FII data. Now if you can see here, what they are doing is this is cash provision market. Last 3 days they are selling quantity. That is 15th of January they have sold for just 4,500 crores, then 4,300 crores, and today they might even sell lesser. At the same time, if you see the F&O activity, you can see here now they were selling huge quantity at around between 8th of January till 13th of January. From 14th 15th last 2 days they have reduced. So that is why we are saying this might be a speculative game, and they might try to take the market on the higher side, right? So this is the objective of us being long in the market, or telling the idea of being long in the market, why we expect that the market may go on the higher side, which is around 23,500. And as I talk to you, market has already breached. If you see this, market has already breached around 23,200, and US markets are all in the green. Let me show you the US market. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. So hopefully if markets are in the green, or if US market, Asia Pacific, European market, everything is in the green, if it continues to be in the green, we might gap up tomorrow. And when it comes to chart, I will show you the chart. I'll also show you the price action. If you see here, this is the 5-minute chart of Nifty, and what we can see here is there was a good support at around these levels, around 23,100 level. It is still there. There is a very small resistance at around 23,200, or let's say 23,300 levels. So that is the only problem here. Now if the market closes above 23,200, or let's say around about 23,250, we have a huge possibility of market going on the higher side. But at the same time, we have to understand 23,300 is a very strong support. Now you can understand why we are saying we have to be long in the market, because risk reward is not in your favor. Let us say I'm shorting the market, maybe I'll get around how many points, maybe 200 or 150 points. But on the other side, we are having 300 or 350 points, is what I am trying to say, or what we are trying to do in this scenario, right? So let us see how things work out. If let us see how we are whether we are profitable or not. Time now is around 2:30. So another half an hour to go, maybe 3 p.m. move, we will see market moving above 23,200. It might try to close above 23,200. So still we stand by our call, that is we are long in this market. We have added long to this market. And in terms of Banknifty, I can understand, you can understand why Banknifty is so much down. As I told you, Axis Bank is having huge weightage in Banknifty, and that is why you can see a huge gap. Today alone it has gap. Yesterday's close is around 49,300. Today open is around 49,100, 200 points gap down. Then we are seeing 28,300. From there it is going on the, it is slightly sideways, or maybe tomorrow also we'll have to see what happens. Now and that is the main reason for this happening in Banknifty, is because purely because of Axis Bank. If you see, Axis Bank is down by around 5%. So that is the main reason why we are seeing so much sluggishness in Banknifty. Of course there are events coming up which may turn around. So the conclusion here is that in spite of all this negative news, in spite of all this whatever is happening, market is Nifty is very very resilient. It doesn't want to come below 23,000. 23,000 is a very very good support. FIIs are kind of trying to speculate this game, so be careful, be cautious, and if you want to be long in this market, be long when the market is around 23,000, the 23,000 levels. And if you want to short the market, try to short the market at around 23,500 levels. In the meantime, you can take some delta neutral strategies so that it will work in your favor. I'll end this video here. I hope I have explained whatever happening in the market very clearly. Let me know on the comment section below, and take care. Bye.